Hello viewers, I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with yet another power-packed video on PTE speaking. Let's see what do we have here. Let's get started. Most repeated answer short questions.
What do we call a drawing or painting of a person, especially one showing only the face or head and shoulders?
A portrait.
What do we call the area designated for aircraft to take off and land?
Airport.
What do we call the area of art concerned with arranging and composing dance movements and patterns?
Choreography.
What do we call the behavior of not buying products from an exact company as a way of protesting?
Boycott.
What do we call the injection given to prevent certain diseases?
Vaccine.
What do we call the medical device used to listen to heart and lung sounds?
Stethoscope.
What do we call the medical examination of a dead body to determine the cause of death?
Postmortem.
What do you call a large, luxurious apartment in a city?
Penthouse.
What do you call the art of making two-dimensional images move, often used in cartoons and films?
Animation.
What is the name of the condition characterized by persistent sadness and loss of interest?
Depression.
What is the name of the disease characterized by high levels of sugar in the blood?
Diabetes.
What is the name of the vehicle used specifically for emergency medical services?
Ambulance.
What is the term for a fast, rough drawing made to capture the basic elements and structure of a scene?
Illustration.
What is the term for a journey, especially a long one, involving travel by sea or in space?
Voyage.
What is the term for a large boat used primarily for public or commercial transport on inland waterways?
Ferry. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. See you on the other side. This is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. Thanks for watching.